Hey everybody, Chris Palmer here today, and we are on our basement project. And I wanted to show you how I protect my floors after I'm done installing them. One of the things I really am a big advocate for is protecting a surface after it's installed. We have our luxury vinyl plank flooring down, and what we want to do is lay a protective layer on top of it. That way when we get into painting, finishing, and any other kind of work that has to happen where tools are coming in and out of the place, we make sure that the floor is covered. One of my favorite products, and this is not sponsored whatsoever, is Ramboard. There's many other substrates out there that you can use, but one of the ones I always stick to is Ramboard. It's readily available. I find it in all my big box stores. One of the coolest parts about this product is a paper product. So it's recycled paper. You can recycle it when it's done. You don't have to throw it in the landfill. And again, it has a splash guard on it. So that means when the boots are wet and the slop is coming inside, it protects that floor. And the number one reason we put this down is because after all that labor that we've done, whether it's a hardwood floor, tile floor, or in this case, we've got a luxury vinyl plank flooring down, we can protect it and save our investment for our clients and for ourselves, replacing damaged boards. So let me show you how I install it. It's quite simple. All we have to do is kick it out. Now, as I kick it out, you'd think, oh, it's gonna roll right back. But this stuff here, for some reason, has this amazing weight to it that allows it to basically sit flat. So as you can see, the roll doesn't actually want to come back at me. It works out perfectly fine. Then all you're gonna do is take the seam tape that it comes with, and then you take all your seams. I go for about a 2 to 3 inch overlap, and then you're safe. That way if anything spills, it doesn't go underneath, and you don't have to worry about it. So when you get the roll to the end of the wall, it's quite simple. Pull out your utility knife and you're gonna cut across. Now, it's up to you whether you want to come up the wall or you want to end it at the wall. If you want to end at the wall, it's quite simple. We just push and pull the crease, and then we cut at that crease. If you want it to be up the wall, then you fold the crease and you simply score a little bit higher. And that way, you get that splash guard I was talking about. So that way if something comes in and hits the wall, splatters, you don't have to worry about it hitting your drywall. But if you take a look at the material itself, this here is a seam already creased into the board. And this allows you to fold it, and it creates a long, high splash guard. So that way, if it goes up the wall when you're running lengths of hallway, and you worry about anything spilling, we call this the splash guard. So it's kind of sweet. Now, when I'm doing my consecutive rolls heading back, you're literally just gonna go for that 2, maybe 3 inch overlap that you wanna have. And as you do it, you need something heavy to hold at the other end, so it stays nice and level, because as the roll gets thinned out, you will find it has a little bit of a recurve. So it's just quite simple. Make sure your line is still staying true to what you want for overlap. Like, as simple as holding an extra roll of tape, I'll go back with an open roll. And I just press down and take the seam. Just like that. Make sure you press it down really well. You can run your nail along the edge here to see the seam. Don't worry about wrinkles and crinkles. The key is that the tape is adhering on both sides to stop the edges from having anything leaking in between them. And just like that, once you get to the end of the roll, you can either cut the tape or simply just give it a little tear. And now you know that your floors are protected. So again, the reason I really like this product is because it's made of recycled material. It's a paper-based product, so we know it's made out of a lot of our recycled content, saving us the landfill waste. And the fact that it can be broken down and recycled again, this is one of the benefits of this product. So if you care, try this Ramboard out. I'm sure there's other products out there that are similar to it, but this is one that's tried tested and true in my experience in my industry here. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. Check out Ramboard. You know, don't be biased. I'm not biased. Are you biased? I'm not biased. I don't know what to say, Jackson. Don't know what to say. So there you have it. The best thing that I've used to protect your floor after you lay a whole new floor. This is where he's getting great blooper reels.
I was gonna say, you're gonna have to do a blooper reel.